Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. In this video, we would cover the vital details and the recent happenings with the Arjun main battle tank Mark 1A. As per the different sources, we know that the final phase of trials of the main battle tank Arjun Mark 1A was held on Monday, which is December 7, 2020 at Pokhran Field Firing Range in Jaisalmer district. Arjun Mark 1A is an improved variant of Arjun Mark 1 tank whose two regiments are currently in service with the Indian Army. Scientists of Chennai-based Combat Vehicles Research and Development Establishment are the main architect of this improved version of Arjun tank, and the heavy vehicles factory in Avadi is soon expected to start production after receiving the order. This tank will boost Indian Army's firepower with its upgraded features, enhancements and power. 72 improvements were made to Arjun main battle tank Mark 1, of which 14 were major upgrades that were specifically requested by Indian Army and which led to the Mark 1A version. If we quickly list down the major enhancements and changes, the first one in the list is improved gunner's main sight integrated with automatic target tracking. This feature helps the crew to track the moving targets automatically, making it easy for the gunner to fire even when the tank is on the move. The next upgrade is the commander's panoramic sight, which has been integrated with thermal imager. This feature enables the commander to effectively conduct surveillance both in day and night through the eye-safe laser rangefinder with an advanced hunter-killer capability. The next one is the containerized ammunition bin with individual shutter. This gives the crew enhanced protection from unwanted burning of ammunition stored in the ready round bin. The hot gases generated due to ammunition burning is vented out by blow-off panels from the roof of the turret, thus saving the crew members. The next one in the list is the remote controlled weapon station. This feature provides a loader with the capability of engaging ground targets and aerial targets from the protective envelope of the tank armor. It also provides an additional capability to fight in an urban area called hatch-closed firing. The next one is the advanced land navigation system. An advanced land navigation system is added to provide enhanced navigation capability of the tank in desert terrain during the war. It provides accurate information of where the tank is using either the inertial navigation or the GPS or both, and where the tank needs to go in the absence of any signage in the war theatre. The next feature which we can see is the uncooled night vision camera. An uncooled night vision camera for driver has also been provided in this particular tank. The earlier image intensifier for the tank driver has been replaced with the uncooled thermal imager with binocular sights for the driver, thus providing him with the capability to travel at reasonable speed even in pitch dark conditions. The next one is the laser warning and countermeasure systems. The laser warning countermeasure system that protects the crew by creating a smoke screen between itself and the enemy, and anti-infrared anti-thermal imaging paints that reduce the signature of the tank when viewed using a IR or TI camera, or even the goggles, which makes the tank difficult to be detected by enemies. Next one is the special chemical sensor. Arjun Mark 1A as a protection against chemical attacks. A special chemical sensor is mounted to detect the presence of harmful toxic chemicals in the atmosphere around the tank. The sensor detects the harmful chemicals, triggers an alarm, and the nuclear chemical warfare system increases the pressure in the tank compartment to a little higher than in the atmosphere, thus preventing the toxic air from entering the tank. The tank crew get air through a particular filter for their survival. So this was a quick update on the major enhancements or features of Arjun Mark 1A main battle tank. I have not covered the entire enhancements, I'm just highlighting the vital ones here in this particular video. Now coming back to the recent news on the trials of this particular tank, even though the capabilities of Arjun Mark 1A tank were shown to the senior officials of Army, it looks like the upgradation trials of this main battle tank Arjun Mark 1A are expected to continue further for few more days. During the demonstration, a few rounds were fired and a remote control weapon system operation was also showcased. This is going to continue for a few more days as I mentioned above, And these tests are very vital since Indian Army has plans to induct at least 2 regiments of this main battle tank Arjun over the next few months. So let us hope these powerful indigenous tanks get all required approvals and gets inducted into Indian Army as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.